At last, Apple will release its first foldable iPhone, which may be the most important iPhone ever produced. The Galaxy Fold name is already owned by Samsung, which Apple finds too similar. The iPhone Ultra is now the most prominent rumor. It is scheduled to launch in September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. Additionally, Apple may announce it in September and ship it a little later due to manufacturing challenges. The iPhone X from 2017 used the same playbook. In any case, it is anticipated to be scarce when it initially appears. The design is where Apple sets itself apart from the competition. The iPhone Ultra is shorter and wider than any other foldable phone available on the market thanks to its 4.3 aspect ratio, which is similar to that of an iPad. It measures 5.5 inches when closed and 7.8 inches when open. Nearly the same dimensions as an iPad mini. It's the biggest update in iPhone history, according to Mark Gurman. And it's difficult to disagree with this design. Aluminum and titanium make up the chassis. Aluminum is used elsewhere for weight and heat dissipation, whereas titanium is used for strength on the stress-bearing components. When opened, it should be only 4.5 mm thin, which is thinner than both the 13 inches iPad Pro and the iPhone Air. It measures between 9 and 9.5 mm when closed. No SIM slot, no MagSafe ring, and no action button. All victims of that extremely slender physique. Like the iPhone Air, it will only accept eSIM cards. It's kept subtle by the colors. Similar to the deep blue of the iPhone 17 Pro, this option is lighter and deeper, more akin to indigo than genuine black. For years, the crease was the only thing preventing Apple from releasing a foldable, and they reportedly refused to ship until they found a solution. Regardless of the cost, Apple strived for a display devoid of creases. The end product is a unique Samsung display panel with touch sensors integrated right into it, resulting in an ultra-thin glass lens from technology that reduces thickness by 19%. A sophisticated optically transparent adhesive that remains flexible even after thousands of folds with a structural glass mid-frame. The hinge is made of liquid metal, which is more resilient to bending and deformation than titanium alloy. 4 cameras in all, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. A 48-megapixel primary and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera make up the rear arrangement. Not a telephoto. A 24-megapixel front camera is installed on both the cover screen and the internal display. Face ID is no longer available. Apple is returning to Touch ID via a side-mounted power button, similar to the iPad, because the device is too tiny for a genuine depth system. With RAM incorporated directly into the chip's wafer using WMCM packaging for improved performance and thermal management, Apple's A20 processor on TSMC's 2nm process is up to 15% quicker and 30% more efficient than the A19. With 12 GB of RAM and vapor chamber cooling, the modem is Compara.